there's a number of considerations that influence what type of cladding support system that you're going to use. And one of those is the weight of the panel, the dimension of the panels, the depth of your exterior cavity, whether it's a rain screen or not. And then the facade materials themselves have requirements as to moving moisture and addressing fire concerns. So in general, the lighter cladding support systems like Z-girts are generally used with the lighter weight materials like metal and wood, fiber cement. And the clip systems tend to be quite a bit more robust. And those are used with very complex, lightweight panel designs, as well as with heavy materials such as stone and masonry. So when you look at cladding support systems, the direction that you're looking to go is for quick and easy installation of the facade materials in any configuration or angle that you wish. So here are some examples of using like a long, slim panel design. Here's one with shadow boxes that might benefit from a more versatile cladding support system. And likewise, you can see the mixed media used on these facades. So while each panel type is different, the structural support supporting the cladding can be the same underneath.